everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you my whole slime collection. So, let's move straight to the video. So guys, this is my whole slime collection. These I have bought from Spain and these are from India and these I have made at home. Let's start with this one. This is a small and golden colored slime. Next is this neon colored slime. It's a little bit sticky. Next is this neon colored slime. It's not stretchy. This is a pearl clay. This slime is mixed with some foam balls. This is also very stretchy. Next is this jumping putty. It can bounce off and it's stretchy and very soft. Next is same as this one, but it's of a pink color. Let's move to the slimes that are from India. First is this one. It has some animals in it. Cute little animals. And it's of yellow color. It's not stretchy. Next is this purple colored slime. It has a bee in it. So next is this orange colored slime. It has a frog in it. This is a crystal clear slime. It's very soft and stretchy. This is my favorite slime. And it has some gems in it with a dolphin of blue color. Next is this unicorn slime. It has some glitters and a doll. This is a super stretchy slime. It's very big and I like to play with it. Next, these I have made at home. First one is this pink colored slime. It's a little bit glittery, you can see, and very stretchy. Next is this neon colored slime. It has a unicorn in it with some rainbow balls. This is also a peachy colored slime with some glitters. This is also same as this one but has some foam balls and is of blue color. Next is this neon colored slime. And the last one is this purple colored slime. It is a little bit glittery. So guys, tell me in the comment section that which slime you like the most. Guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.